Bore da. Good morning. Croeso I Prifysgol Wrecsam ac I Seremoni raddio y Brifysgol. Y gyntaf o 5 seremoni i'w chynnal yma dros gyfnod o 2 ddiwrnod. Welcome to Wrexham University and to the university's graduation ceremony. The first of 5 ceremonies to be held here over 2 days. Y mae 2 ran i'r seremoni heddiw sy'n cael ei alw yn gynulliad y Brifysgol. Yn rhan gyntaf y cynulliad, byddwn yn derbyn yn gymrawd anrhydeddus unigolyn teilwng a ystyrir yn deilwng o'r anrhydedd yma. Yn ail hanner y seremoni byddwn yn cyflwyno tystysgrifau, diplomau a graddau. There are 2 parts to this ceremony, known as a congregation of the university. In the first part, we will receive as an honorary fellow an individual who has been judged worthy of this honour. And in the second part of the ceremony, we will be presenting certificates, diplomas and degrees. Mae'r seremoni heddiw yn achlysur ffurfiol I ddathlu eich cyflawniadau chi. Felly, gofynnwn yn garedig I bawb aros yn eiseddu a dangos parch drwy gydol y seremoni, os gwelwch yn dda. Today's ceremony is a formal occasion celebrating your achievements. So we kindly ask everyone to remain seated and respectful throughout this morning's ceremony. Thank you. Ac bod ni yn eich annog chi I gadw lefel y sŵn I lawr, rydym yn eich annog chi I ddangos eich cefnogaeth drwy gymeradwyo eich cyfoedion wrth i'w dyfarniadau gael eu cyflwyno ar y llwyfan y bore yma. While we do ask that you keep noise to a minimum, we do encourage you to show your support by applauding your peers as their awards are presented on this stage this morning. Please follow the lead of our platform party in doing so. Felly, mae'n awr yn bleser gen I wahodd Dr Lee Griffin, Cadeirydd Bwrdd Llywodraethwyr Prifysgol Wrecsam I agor y seremoni y bore yma. It gives me great pleasure to call upon Dr Lee Griffin, Chair of the Board of Governors of Wrexham University, to open the ceremony this morning.
Bore da. A really warm welcome to this congregation of Wrexham University. Today marks a formal celebration of your achievements, where we recognise degrees earned and other matters concerning Wrexham University. So as authorised by the university, it gives me immense pleasure to open this congregation of Wrexham University and to ask that the university proclamation be read.
Hyder trwy addysg. Bydded hysbys I aelodau'r Brifysgol ac I bawb sydd yn bresennol. Y cynhelir heddiw ar y dyddiad hwn, dydd Mawrth, yr 11 ar 10 ar 20 o Fawrth, 2026, yn ninas Wrecsam, gynulliad awdurdodedig o Brifysgol Wrecsam. I dderbyn yn gymrawd anrhydeddus, unigolyn teilwng, sydd trwy ei gweithredoedd wedi profi ei hunan yn deilwng o barch yn y gymdeithas academaidd. Derbynir i'w gwobrau hefyd unigolion sydd trwy efrydiaeth yn y Brifysgol a thrwy ddisg, medr a dyfal barhad wedi teilyngu'r cyfryw raddau yn unol ag ordeiniadau'r Brifysgol. Gyda'r gobaith y byddant yn cael iechyd a bywyd hir i wasanaethu eu cenedl a'i gwlad dan fendith y nef. Yna, dy oleuni a gyfyd mewn tywyllwch, ath dywyllwch a fydd fel hanner dydd, a rhai a fyddant ohono ti a adeiladant yr hen ddiffydd-leoedd. Y mae digonedd o air ac o emau, ond geiriau deallus yw'r trysor gwerthfawrocaf. Hyder trwy addysg. Confidence through education. Be it known to members of the university and to all here present that an authorised congregation of Wrexham University is being held here in the city of Wrexham this day, Tuesday, the 31st of March 2026, to receive as an honorary fellow a worthy individual who, through her actions and deeds, has proven herself worthy of the respect of the academic community. In addition, those who have, through study at the university and through learning, ability and perseverance, been deemed worthy of university awards in accordance with the ordinances of the university will be admitted to their appropriate degrees, in the hope that they may be given health and long life to serve their generation and their country under the blessing of heaven. Then shall thy light rise in obscurity, and thy darkness be as the noonday. And they that shall be of thee shall build the old waste places. There is gold and a multitude of rubies, but the lips of knowledge are a precious jewel. Bydded hysbys i aelodau'r Brifysgol ac i bawb sydd yn bresennol fod y Brifysgol wedi rhoddi'r awdurdod i'r athro Joe Yates i dderbyn i'w graddau fyfyrwyr Prifysgol Wrecsam a enillodd raddau yn unol a rheolau'r Brifysgol. Gwelir enwau'r rhai y gallir ei derbyn i'w graddau yn y cynulliad hwn yn y rhestr printiedig sydd wedi ei ddosbarthu yma y bore yma. Let it be known to members of the university and to all present that the university has authorised Professor Joe Yates to admit to their degrees students of Wrexham University who have obtained degrees in accordance with the university's regulations. The names of those who may be admitted to their degrees today in this congregation are shown in the printed lists that have been distributed today. Wel, mae nawr yn bleser mawr gen I alw ar athro Joe Yates I gyflwyno Joanna Knight, OBE, am gymrawd anrhydeddus Prifysgol Wrecsam yn ein seremoni y bore yma. Now it now gives me great pleasure to call upon Professor Joe Yates to introduce Joanna Knight, OBE, as an Honorary Fellow of Wrexham University at the ceremony today.
Good morning, everybody. I'm delighted to present Joanna Knight, OBE, for the award of Honorary Fellow of Wrexham University at our ceremony today. Joanna is a business leader and a community champion whose work has made a lasting impact on Wrexham and beyond. Deeply committed to the place she calls home, Joanna has consistently demonstrated how commercial success can drive meaningful community benefit. Her career spans senior leadership roles across public, private and voluntary sectors, most notably as Chief Executive Officer of Moneypenny. During her tenure, she was widely regarded as instrumental to the company's remarkable growth, helping to scale the business while safeguarding its people-first culture and values. Under her leadership, Moneypenny became a nationally and internationally recognised success story while remaining firmly rooted in Wrexham and contributing significantly to the local economy. Alongside her business achievements, Joanna continues to play an influential role in shaping Wrexham's future. She is chair of Wrexham UK City of Culture bid, leading the boards responsible for developing the city's next bid and championing its cultural ambition on a national stage. She also drove the original bid for the Wrexham and Flintshire Investment Zone and currently chairs the Strategic Board, supporting efforts to attract investment, create high-quality jobs and strengthen the long-term economic opportunities in our region. Known for her generosity, mentorship and integrity, Joanna continues to give back to the community she serves. In recognition of her outstanding contribution to business and community life, she was appointed Officer of the Order of the British Empire. Joanna is a long-time supporter of our university, and I'm delighted to welcome her here today to receive our highest honour. This fellowship recognises her outstanding contribution to business leadership and her sustained commitment to regional development here in Wrexham, which have made a significant impact on the economy and the community of North Wales.
Diolch pawb. Diolch, bore da pawb. Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for this today. It really is quite emotional, and I really do appreciate it. And I just want to thank Wrexham University and all the staff for this incredible honour. Wrexham is very much home for me, and I care greatly about how we all leverage this opportunity, that all the opportunities that are currently bubbling away under the surface. And there really is something in the air right now. We've got the investment zone, 2 new museums, the men's and women's football clubs doing brilliantly, the new COP, the foundation, Story Brimbo, and of course, the City of Culture bid for 2029. Right here, in the middle of all this activity, is this fabulous university who is investing in growth, creating rock-solid relationships with both the local councils and organisations and very much in the business community. And I really do think that you guys being central to what's happening in Wrexham is having a massive impact on our success. This is the moment of us all working together and just proving the power of all these relationships. So we're all looking forward to seeing what's possible. So well done today, everybody. Congratulations, diolch yn fawr, and thank you so much. It's an absolute honour to receive this fellowship today.
Anrhydeddus isganghellor. Cyflwynaf I chi y graddedigion yma o'r Gyfadran y Celfyddydau, Cyfrifiadureg a Pheirianneg ym Mhrifysgol Wrecsam. Baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth cyffredin, dylunio gemau cyfrifiadurol a menter, Baglor yn y Celfyddydau anrhydedd, animeiddio, comics, darlunio, hanes cymdeithasol a diwylliannol. Baglor mewn peirianneg anrhydedd, peirianneg awyrynegol a mecanyddol, peirianneg fodurol, peirianneg ddiwydiannol, dylunio peirianneg, ynni carbon isel, effeithiolonrwydd a chynaliadwyedd, peirianneg cynhyrchu, peirianneg adnewyddadwy a chynaliadwy. Baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth anrhydedd, technoleg dylunio, pensaernïol, datblygu gemau cyfrifiadurol, cyfrifiadureg, rheoli adeiladu, tystysgrif ôl-raddedig cyfrifiadureg, diploma ôl-raddedig cyfrifiadureg gyda seibr ddiogelwch, cyfrifiadureg gyda pheirianneg meddalwedd, peirianneg gweithgynhyrchu mecanyddol. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present to you these graduates of the Faculty of Arts, Computing and Engineering at Wrexham University. In Bachelor of Science, Ordinary, Computer, Game Design and Enterprise. Bachelor of Arts Honours, Animation, Comics, Illustration, Social and Cultural History. Bachelor of Engineering Honours, Aeronautical and Mechanical Engineering, Automotive Engineering, Industrial Engineering, Industrial Engineering Design, Low Carbon Energy, Efficiency and Sustainability, Production Engineering, Renewable and Sustainable Engineering. Bachelor of Science Honours, Architectural Design Technology, Computer Game Development, Computer Science, Construction Management, Postgraduate Certificate in Computer Science, Postgraduate Diploma, Computer Science with Cybersecurity, Computer Science with Software Engineering, Engineering, Mechanical Manufacture.
Damilola Rogers. Sasha Bujaya. Theodore Coulson. Emily Morgan. Oliver Clarkson. Kaylee Lewis Furinini. Chloe Lewis Mills. Lydia Poplan Wheeler. Opera Manika. Christian Ellis. Chris Georgian. Craig Sheen. Thomas Warren. Claire Jenkins. Thomas Dillon. Stephen Garrett. Jim Lehman. Graham Palmer. Jack Proudfoot. Alexander Richardson. Charlie Sheen. Charlotte Beeston. Oliver Bauer-Jones. Fren Colson. Ryan Godbert. James Green. Suzanne Hawkins. Thomas Kaufman. Farhan Ogunbola. Daniel Owen. Lewis Button. Robert Andrew Hawkins. Jacob Kuzinski. Kumnan Liptu. Samuel Marston. Gwyn Jones. Molly Sailter. Jack Beck. James Evans. Alex McBin. Aidan Parry. Chris White. Ria Jade Lee. Palwasha Ahamda Zai. Lachlan Harris. James Dickens. James Galton. Dylan Robinson. Vicky Tynan. Brittany Downs. Kimoreen Freeman. Julian Richards. Olumide Danielle. Azino Ogi Mudai. Parvez Hamzi Sheikh. Ken Openg Pra.
Wel, hoffwn yn awr, wahodd yr is-ganghellor I roi ei anerchiad y bore yma. I would now like to invite the Vice-Chancellor to give his address.
Bore da, good morning, and croeso, welcome graduates, families, friends, colleagues. What a privilege it is to stand here in front of all of you today as we celebrate this incredible milestone in your lives. Today is about you. It's about your hard work, your perseverance, and the bright futures that lie ahead. Graduation is a significant milestone, and we're all incredibly proud of you. But it's more than just a ceremony, though. It's a moment to reflect on how far you've come and to look ahead to the opportunities that await. Over your time here, you've gained more than just knowledge. You've built friendships, you've overcome challenges, and you've developed the skills and confidence that will carry you through the next chapter of your lives, providing a strong, powerful platform for you to make a real impact in whatever you choose to do. You are graduates of the future. You are our future. This class are the engineers of the future, the nurses, the artists, the language therapists, the computer scientists who will serve our communities. Your university has a long history, dating back to 1887, when the Wrexham School of Art and Science was established. We first started offering degrees in 1924 and achieved university status in 2008. We've come a long way since then, and we can all be proud of the ranking we achieved in the league tables, putting us in the top 5 in the UK for teaching quality. However, we never stand still. Wrexham University is evolving, just as you are. Our vision and strategy sets out an ambitious target to grow, to innovate, and to continue making a real difference to our students, our communities, and the world beyond. We've made a bold and unwavering commitment to those who live, study, and work in our community, to work in partnership to improve the educational, economic, impact, social, cultural, and environmental prosperity of all our communities, delivering real impact. This year, we've marked some significant milestones as we deliver our vision to be a world-leading modern civic university. We've recently secured research degree awarding powers and announced the Wrexham Business Gateway, a £22 million investment, the single biggest capital investment in the university history, which will support business growth in our region, nationally and internationally. Within your faculty too, the opening of the Cyfadran building and the Society 5 project around engineering and robotics of the future signal our commitment to excellence and transformation in the educational journey of our students. There are also some fantastic individual achievements. Karen Heald and Yuri Vagapov became professors, Moby Akinsolu became a reader, and Andy Sharp successfully defended his PhD thesis this year. The Cateus Prize was won by our BA Honours Applied Art student Matilda Bethelford, and BA Honours Illustration student Ruth Toner won the D&AD New Blood Award. Congratulations to them all, a real testament to the talent our university and your faculty produce. It's important, though, to recognise that while strategies and buildings may change, the heart of Wrexham University remains the same. It's about you, it's about our people, it's about the incredible students, staff sitting here on the stage, graduates just like you who bring our university to life every day. So, you may be leaving our campus, but you'll always be part of our university and our community. Wherever your journey takes you, whether into a new job, further study, or new adventures, know that you have a community here that believes in you and supports you. My wish for you is that throughout your lives and future careers, you keep the values of Wrexham University close. Excellence. Strive to always do your best, and whatever it is you are doing, aim to do it well. Inclusion. Always treat people with kindness, dignity, and respect. Integrity is important. Never lose sight of this. Collaboration. We're better together. Collaboration and partnerships unlock solutions. So take the other point of view on board from people and harness the strength of others. To share the wisdom of the African proverb, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Transformation. Our world is changing so quickly, and you, our most recent graduates, are on the crest of the wave. Go out into your futures with the ability and the promise to change things for the better. Be ambassadors for change and strive to make a positive difference. Sustainability. The earth is ours for just a short time, so recognise that you have a pivotal role to play in the world that you pass to future generations, and let that guide your decision-making. If you hold these values dear, you won't go far wrong in your personal or your professional lives. Finally, as your Vice-Chancellor, I want to say again how proud we are of all of you. I also want to let you know that you'll also always be part of our university here in Wrexham, and I invite you personally to join our Alumni Association so you can stay connected with us. So head over to the careers and alumni stands in the marquee to find out a little bit more. So go forward with confidence, be bold, stay curious, and never stop learning. Congratulations to you all. We genuinely couldn't be prouder. Diolch. Thank you.
Wel, hoffwn yn awr, groesawu llywydd undeb y myfyrwyr, Freya Groom, I roi ei hanherchiad. I would now like to welcome the President of the Students' Union, Freya Groom, to give her presentation.
Bore da, good morning everybody. It is a privilege to stand before you today as President of Wrexham Students' Union to celebrate this extraordinary moment in your lives. Today is not just about the degrees you have, but about the years of commitment, patience and personal growth that have led you here. As students, you all face challenges, from difficult assignments to those late nights when deadlines have felt impossible. But you've also shared countless moments of joy, the friendships forged in lectures, the memories made in societies and sports clubs, and the community spirit that makes Wrexham such a special place to study. As you reflect on these years, it becomes clear that the experience here have shaped far more than your academic achievements. They have instilled resilience in the face of difficulty, determination when the path was uncertain, and appreciation for the strength of community. On behalf of all graduates, I want to extend a heartfelt thanks to your lecturers and staff whose dedication and belief in you has been unwavering, to your families, friends and loved ones who've cheered you on and supported you through every step of this journey. And to my fellow students, thank you. Thank you for your energy, your passion, and for being the heartbeats of this university. It has been my privilege to serve as your Students' Union President and to witness the strength, creativity and resilience of this community. Graduation is not an ending, but a beginning. The knowledge, skills and friendships you've built here will stay with you long after today. Wherever your journeys take you, whether into new careers, further studies or opportunities you've not yet imagined, step forward with confidence, knowing that you are prepared. Celebrate today with pride in what you've achieved, gratitude for those who've helped you along the way, and excitement for all is still to come. Thank you and congratulations.
Anrhydeddus Isganghellor. Cyflwynaf I chi y myfyrwyr yma o Prifysgol Wrecsam i'w graddau, diplomau a'i tystysgrifau priodol yn y disgyblaethau canlynol. Meistr yn y Celfyddydau, ymarfer rhyngddysgyblaethol celf, Celfyddydau mewn iechyd. Ymarfer rhyngddysgyblaethol, dylunio, celf gemau, peintio a ffotograffiaeth. Meistr mewn gwyddoniaeth, datblygu gemau cyfrifiadurol, cyfrifiadureg, seibr ddiogelwch, gwyddoniaeth data a dadansoddeg data mawr, Pheirianneg, gweithgynhyrchu mecanyddol Pheirianneg a Pheirianneg meddalwedd. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present to you these students from Wrexham University to their respective certificates, diplomas and degrees in the following disciplines. Master of Arts, Art, Interdisciplinary Practice, Arts in Health, Design Interdisciplinary Practice, Game Art, Painting and Photography. Master of Science, Computer Game Development, Computer Science, Cybersecurity, Data Science and Big Data Analytics, Engineering, Engineering Mechanical Manufacture, Software Engineering.
Ellis Hanbury Maiden. Lorna McDinus. Sam Pearl. Rina Kalandari. Musomaya Munni. Darren Formosa. Lucy Walsh. Jennifer Thomas. Aaron Roberts. Isabel Evans. Eloise Halls. Sally Ann Jones. Marnie Brown. Robert Kierman. Brigitte Zoetman. Liam Clark. Jeff Winton. Saeed Ashur. Danielle Roberts. Ramanpreet Bular. Maximilian Kabosk. Ramandeep Kaur. Shukwinder Kaur. Harash Patel. Gurpreet Singh. Aramandir Pari. Vivek Kanjurala Pali. Tawisha Kankara. Salma Mutasin Tani. Mohammed Saleh Akrami. Natalie Cohn. Akisheta Pati. Mindiarazi Nagushi. Gibson Ogoluwa. Christina Phillips. Diane Robinson. Gavin Bullard. Cameron Chetty. Friday Charles Dennis. Barry Jones. Daniel Hansen. Nikki Griffiths. Mohammed Bilal. Mohammed Salim Hussain. Muhammad Imran Chowdhury. Nahid Ferdous Nushin. Thomas Forrett. Sunil Kumar Kapuli. Majid Mehub. Sunday Tushin Gunshaya. Vanier Jose Rodriguez Jr. Mark Wharton. Mohammed Jilani Kakur. Shrikant Pula. Azu Wojo. Philemon Swabra. Stefan Beck. Peace Odun. Ade Kunle or La DJ. Parminder Singh. Naveen Kumar Pulamarati. Srisha Seelman. Tejuswi by Redu Puli. Yagdash Rutula. Jamie Makuluk. Sharel Williams Cha. Lokesh Bala. Fase Koicheki. Gurvinder Singh. Lakwinder Singh. Exi Mukumur Atikpi. Andre Bergman. Eddie Omuguri. Muhammad Usman. Adam Brown. Nico Jobekas. Michael Johnson. Fabian Legger. Siti Chai Wheeler. Israt Soni.
This is the most formal part of the ceremony. It's the point at which we confer the degrees or other awards on you, and you become graduates. At some of the older universities in England, this would be done in Latin. At the new universities, it's done in English. Here in Wales, we do this in Welsh. The orator will ask me to confer the degrees and all the privileges on you, which I will do. She will then ask me to do the same for those who are not present today and are getting their degrees in absentia. May I therefore ask all of the graduates to please stand.
Anrhydeddus is-ganghellor. Cymeradwyaf I chi dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny i'w gwobrau ac I holl freintiau'r graddau hyn.
Trwy awdurdod y Prifysgol a ymddiriedwyd I mi, derbyniaf chwi eich gwobrau ac I holl freintiau gwobrau hyn.
Anrhydeddus is-ganghellor. Cymeradwyaf I chi dderbyn yn ei habsenoldeb y myfyrwyr hynny a enwyd yn rhannau priodol y rhaglen i'w gwobrau ac I holl freintiau'r graddau hyn.
Trwy awdurdod y Brifysgol a ymddiriedwyd I mi, derbyniaf y chrau a nodwyd wneu habseneldeb i'w, gwobrau ac I holl freintiau gwobrau hyn. Congratulations, you are now graduates of Wrexham University.
Wel, hoffwn yn awr, wahodd cadeirydd Bwrdd y Llywodraethwyr, Dr Lee Griffin, I gloi y cynulliad y bore yma. I would now like to invite the Chair of the Board of Governors, Dr Lee Griffin, to close the ceremony this morning.
This is where I get my chance to chat to you for half an hour. Don't worry. I just want to say that the granting of an academic award brings with it privileges and responsibilities. Through your hard work and diligence, you have joined a distinguished society of scholars. And I'd like to add my personal congratulations to those of the Vice-Chancellor and the University. Well done. And in doing so, I formally close this congregation of Wrexham University. Diolch.
Wel, gyfeillion, dyna ni ddiwedd y seremoni raddio y bore yma. Cynhelir cynulliad nesaf Prifysgol Wrecsam y prynawn yma. Felly, gofynnaf I bawb I sefyll ac aros ar eich traed hyd nes i'r orymdaith gan gynnwys y graddedigion newydd adael y neuadd, os gwelwch yn dda. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes this morning's graduation ceremony. The next congregation of Wrexham University will take place this afternoon. Now, may I ask you to stand and remain standing until the procession and the graduates have left the hall. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you.